New year, new video. Figured I'd show you all the books I got from Lone Star Comics. I don't have a comic book store locally, so I have to order these. I used to go to the Lone Star Comics on Hewlin Street in Fort Worth, but they're not there anymore. Besides, it's quite a drive. Unless you take the tollway. I don't have a toll ticket, and I don't go to Fort Worth that much, so I don't have one. It's just cheaper to pay the $5 down on shipping and order all my comics that way. And for me, there's nothing worse than driving all the way to Fort Worth and they don't have the comics that you're looking for. I never thought I'd be a guy doing unboxing videos, but it's a new year, time to try new things. Doomsday Clock, number 2. Got Cyberfrog, Reservoir Frog. Been watching Ethan Van Sciver's. I've been watching his YouTube. Started off with Cyberfrog, and I'm trying to get into comic art, so I figured let's see where he started and see how I balance out to where he was when he started. I got this because it was in the dollar bin on the site. I've been reading these. I love WWE. It's really cool because it's based on what's going on in the show. It's like you watch WWE and we only see 3 hours on Raw and we only see 2 hours on SmackDown, but this is what's going on behind the scenes. And since it's a comic, they can do whatever they want. It wraps back into who they are and where they came from, and it doesn't contradict anything that you see on Raw. It's really cool. So check out the WWE book. I remember having this book as a kid, and I never learned what happened after the story. I don't even know what got me into this story. It was just a comic that I bought on the spur of the moment. So I went to mycomicshop.com, which is LoneStarComics.com, and I ordered Spider-Man 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I know the story and I get to look at the cool art. Even now I still draw Wolverine with the hairy arms and the huge fins. I hold that back to just when he's wearing the brown suit now. When he's wearing the yellow suit, I have like smaller fins for him. That's just me. That's how I draw my Wolverine. So yeah, there's lots of good comics to check out, cool art, and be seeing you. Stay out of trouble.